In this video, we will show you how to collect your access token in Salesforce. This will be used to integrate Bento into your CRM. On the home screen, go to the upper right corner and click Setup. A new page will open. On the left side, search for the Apps option. Navigate to Platform Tools. Click on Apps and App Manager. Click on New Connected App button. Enter any name on the Connected App name field. Please add any email address to the Contact Email field. Go to the Enable OAuth settings. On Callback URL box, copy and paste the URL that our representative sent to you. Click on Use Digital Signature, and on Choose File button and add the file we sent. This is our digital signature for authentication. Now we will need to select some items on the Selected OAuth Scopes box. Select the options: Manage User Data via APIs, Manage User Data via Web Browser, and Perform Request at any time. Click Save button at the bottom of the screen. On the next screen, you'll see a message saying it will take 10 minutes. You just can click Continue. You will be directed to a new tab. Click on Manage Consumer Details. You will be prompted to authenticate your account. Copy the consumer key and send to us later via Send Secure. Click Cancel. Back to the screen, go to the Manage button. Click on Edit Policies button. On the field Permitted Users, choose Admin Approved Users are pre-authorized. Don't forget to click Save. Back to the admin screen, you will find more options. Click on Manage Profiles. Select System Administrator. This will make that only a System Administrator user can make the connection that we are creating. Click Save. To finish, navigate to Manage Users page, then click on Users. Please share with your Bento representative a username with System Administrator profile. If you have any other questions on how to customize your Salesforce CRM for Bento, please reach out to support@bentoengine.com.